guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add discount price on Shopify. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. You have the option to complete this task using either your PC or your phone. Personally, I'll opt for my laptop. To begin, simply select your preferred browser and tap to open it. Once the browser is open, navigate to shopify.com. If this is your first time, you'll find a start free trial option to begin. Since I already have an account, I'll proceed by clicking on Login. You may need to input your account details to access your account. Once logged in, locate the discount section. Click on Create Discount to begin. You have various discount options such as amount of products, amount of orders, buy X get Y, and free shipping. Let's say you want to offer a fixed amount of a product. First, choose between generating a discount code or an automatic discount. Opt for any option, then click on Generate to create the code you'll share with customers. Next, decide if you want to offer a fixed amount or a percentage off. For a fixed amount, enter the desired value, for example $70 off a product. You can also use percentages instead. You can also apply the discount to specific collections or products by selecting them from the provided options. Additionally, you can configure settings such as minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, combinations, add the active date for the discount. Set the activation dates for your discount, then click Save Discount to finalize the creation of your new discount on Shopify. Yeah, that's how to add a discount price on Shopify. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.